Hello again, future LPTs. So, you've reached part 3 on our let review and principles of teaching. So, in this final set, we'll tackle another 15 multiple choice questions, each with a quick and clear rationalization to sharpen your understanding and test readiness. Let's get started. Number 31. A teacher designs activities that move from simple to complex and from concrete to abstract. What principle is applied? Letter A, spiral progression. Letter B, transfer of learning. Letter C, learning by doing. Or letter D, readiness. The correct answer, of course, is letter A, spiral progression. So this approach builds on prior knowledge and gradually deepens understanding. This is the hallmark of spiral progression. So from simple to complex and from concrete to abstract. Number 32, when a teacher modifies her instruction based on assessment results, she is practicing blank. Letter A, norm reference teaching. Letter B, diagnostic teaching. Letter C, summative teaching. Or letter D, passive assessment. The correct answer is letter B, diagnostic teaching. Diagnostic teaching involves using assessments to identify needs and adjust instruction accordingly. So, in using diagnostic teaching, we were able to identify the strengths and weaknesses of the students. So, in this way, we can modify our instruction based on the result of the assessment. Number 33. Which among the following represents an affective domain objective? Letter A. Solve quadratic equations. Letter B. Compare different economic systems. Letter C. Value the importance of honesty. Or identify parts of the digestive system. The correct answer is letter C. Value the importance of honesty. So the word value targets the affective domain, so dealing with attitudes and emotions. So that is why this one represents the affective domain objective. So the other choices are all cognitive domain. Number 34. A teacher uses concept mapping to help students connect new content with prior knowledge. So this demonstrates what? Letter A, behavioral learning theory. Letter B, humanistic learning theory. Letter C, constructivist learning theory. Or letter D, classical conditioning. The correct answer is letter C, constructivist learning theory. So, constructivism emphasizes building new knowledge on top of existing schemas using tools like concept maps. Okay. Number 35. What is the best assessment tool for evaluating performance-based tasks? Letter A, checklist. Letter B, rubric. Letter C, true or false test. Or letter D, multiple choice test. The correct answer is letter B, rubric. So a rubric sets clear performance criteria and allows for objective, detailed evaluation of complex tasks. Rubric is the best answer. Number 36. What is the most suitable strategy for fostering metacognition? Letter A, group competition. Letter B, drill and practice. Letter C, peer grading. Or letter D, think aloud protocols. The correct answer is letter D. Think aloud protocols encourage students to verbalize their thought process as they work through a problem or read a text. So this allows them to actively monitor and reflect on their own understanding. So this one is the key part of metacognition. Number 37. A teacher encourages divergent thinking and multiple solutions to a problem. What type of learning is emphasized? Letter A, rote learning. Letter B, lateral learning. Letter C, creative thinking. Or letter D, linear thinking. The correct answer is letter C, creative thinking. Divergent thinking promotes creativity by allowing multiple possible solutions to a single problem. Divergent, many. So, letter C. Number 38. Which is the most appropriate instructional approach to develop higher order thinking skills or HOTS? Letter A, Socratic questioning. Letter B, direct instruction. Letter C, memorization of facts. Or letter D, recitation drills. The correct answer is letter A, Socratic questioning. So this one fosters analysis, evaluation, and synthesis. So these three, analysis, evaluation, and synthesis, are the core elements of higher order thinking skills. Okay, next. 39. A teacher integrates lessons across multiple subjects to form a thematic unit. This is an example of blank. Letter A, interdisciplinary teaching. Letter B, spiral curriculum. Letter C, mastery learning. Or letter D, modular learning. Correct answer is letter A. This is what we call interdisciplinary teaching. So this involves combining different subjects to create a holistic learning experience where students can see how various disciplines connect and relate to a central theme. Okay. Number 40. In a constructivist classroom, which activity is least likely to occur? Letter A, collaborative group work. Letters B, teacher lectures extensively. Letter C, use of real-life problems. Or letter D, students reflect on learning. The correct answer is letter B. Teacher lectures extensively. So constructivism minimizes teacher-centered methods like long lectures in favor of student-centered learning. So again, in these situations, we're looking for the least likely to occur in a constructivist classroom. So the correct answer is letter B. Number 41. What assessment principle is violated if a teacher uses an essay test to evaluate spelling skills? Letter A, objectivity. Letter B, validity. Letter C, reliability. Or letter D, practicality. The correct answer, of course, is letter B, validity. So this principle refers to whether an assessment accurately measures what it intends to measure. In this case, an essay test is not designed to specifically assess spelling skills. Okay, so as it would likely involve other writing skills like grammar and vocabulary as well. So the correct answer is validity. Okay, 42. A teacher's questioning technique follows this sequence: knowledge, comprehension, application, and then evaluation. Which taxonomy is observed? Letter A, Krathwohl's affective domain. Letter B, Cogni's learning hierarchy. Letter C, Bloom's cognitive domain. Or letter D, Tyler's learning model. The correct answer is letter C, Bloom's cognitive domain. So this sequence follows Bloom's hierarchy from lower to higher order thinking skills. So starting from knowledge to comprehension, application, and evaluation. Letter C is the correct answer. Number 43, a teacher offers choices in assignments and learning activities. This strategy supports which motivational theory? Letter A, self-determination theory. Letter B, operant conditioning. Letter C, attribution theory. Or letter D, expectancy theory. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, self-determination theory. So this theory emphasizes the importance of autonomy or freedom, competence, and relatedness in motivating individuals. So providing students with the choices in their assignments and learning activities directly aligns with the principle of autonomy, as it allows them to feel a sense of control over their learning process. Okay. 44. When using backward design, what is the first step a teacher must take? Letter A. Choose learning activities. Letter B. Write the lesson plan. Letter C. Identify desired results. Or letter D. Select instructional materials. The correct answer is letter C. Identifying desired results. So again, we are talking about the backward design. Backward design. So the first stage of the backward design approach or is um, is that teachers identify what students should know, understand, and be able to do by the end of the course, lesson, or module. So that's why we must identify desired results first. Number 45. Which of the following best demonstrates a teacher's application of metacognitive strategies in the classroom? Letter A. Giving a quiz after every lesson. Letter B. Asking students to summarize the textbook. Letter C. Giving rewards for correct answers. Or letter D. Encouraging students to think about how they learn best. Okay, the correct answer is letter D. All right, and that wraps up our part three of Principle of Teaching review. So, great work for staying focused and determined in this review session. So, comment your scores below and don't hesitate to tell us what topics you'd like to review next. So, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to help you succeed in this upcoming let. So, this is Teacher Art saying study hard because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Keep going, future LPTs. You've got this. Bye bye.